The new addition to the Terra Incognita stove series is the model named Antares. It is a fairly versatile gas camping stove with a threaded connection, meaning it operates with threaded gas canisters. The design of the stove is quite impressive and in my opinion very successful due to some constructive solutions. The first thing that sets this stove apart from many others is the shape of the diffuser, or burner, if that is clearer. It is concave in the center and has a rim around the edge. This decision makes it one of two image. This decision makes these stoves more wind resistant compared to those stoves that have a protruding diffuser. While this design does not claim absolute wind protection, it can still be considered an advantage of this stove. The legs on which the cookware is placed fold compactly. This stove has 3 legs. The Antares also has piezo ignition. This is the mechanism that creates a spark, so there is no need to use a lighter. The ventilation handle is quite long, making it convenient to use even while wearing gloves. It is also foldable. At the bottom, where the stove connects to the cylinder, there is a seal both inside, where the thread is located, and outside, the specifications, namely the weight, dimensions and power of the stove, are shown in the table. And now, a very brief instruction on how to use such a stove for those who have never used camping gas stoves. Unfolded, ensure that the valve is closed. Screwed it onto the cylinder, tightly but without effort. There is no need to over-tighten. Now slightly open the valve to let the gas out, but not fully. Click the piezo ignition. You can also use a lighter, for example. That's it. Then use the valve to adjust the flame's power. After use, close the valve and unscrew the stove. Please remember that it is hot after use. The set includes a pouch for transportation and storage. The link to this stove will be in the video description.